This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Toke Ettehadieh. Open house October 9, 2021. A rare availability in Sugar Land. 2-story townhome, 3-bed, 2.5 bath with assigned carport for sale. Conveniently located close to Highway 59, shopping, restaurants and public library. Zoned to excellent schools, and has low monthly fees. Downstairs features an open kitchen floor plan, dining area, half bath, large living room west/fireplace, and a private patio. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. For more information, review the details below.